Electrician tools are essential for professionals working in the electrical industry. Here are some commonly used tools by electricians. 1. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are necessary for loosening and tightening screws. 2. Pliers. Various types of pliers are used, such as needle nose pliers for gripping small objects, lineman's pliers for cutting and twisting wires, and wire stripping pliers for removing insulation from wires. 3. Wire cutters. Wire cutters are designed specifically for cutting and trimming electrical wires cleanly. 4. Wire strippers. These tools are used to remove the insulation from the ends of electrical wires without damaging the conductor. 5. Multimeter. A multimeter measures voltage, current, and resistance. It helps electricians diagnose electrical problems, test circuits, and ensure safety. 6. Voltage tester. A voltage tester detects the presence of electrical current in a circuit or outlet. It is used to verify if a circuit is energized or de-energized. 7. Circuit finder. A circuit finder, also known as a circuit breaker finder, is used to locate specific circuits in electrical panels. 8. Fish tape. Fish tape is a flexible tool used for pulling wires through conduit, walls, or ceilings. 9. Crimping tool. Electricians use crimping tools to join connectors and terminals to wires securely. 10. Cable cutters. Cable cutters are designed to cut thick cables and wires efficiently. 11. Insulated gloves. Electricians often wear insulated gloves to protect themselves from electrical shocks when working on live circuits. 12. Tape measure. A tape measure is essential for taking accurate measurements when installing electrical components or planning wire runs. 13. Conduit benders. Conduit benders are used to create bends and curves in electrical conduit pipes. 14. Flashlight. A good quality flashlight helps illuminate dark areas when working in electrical panels or other dimly lit spaces. 15. Tool bag or toolbox. Electricians need a reliable bag or toolbox to carry and organize their tools. These are just some of the common tools used by electricians. The specific tools required may vary based on the type of electrical work being performed. Hope you enjoy this short explanation. Please like and share your close friend. Thanks for watching.